1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, we have 10 red apples. Let's count the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many red apples in total? Answer: 10 apples. Let's count the oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 oranges. Let's count the strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow! We have 5 strawberries. Let's count how many cupcakes do we have. 1, 2, 3. Wow! We have 3 cupcakes. Do you know what is the name of this fruit? These are bell peppers, yes. How many bell peppers do you see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 bell peppers. How many green apples do you see? Let's count. Do you know the answer? 6 green apples. Wow! How many green apples are there? Do you know? There are 4 green apples. Yes. How many red apples? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 red apples. Match and connect the cupcakes. 4 cupcakes. 3 cupcakes. 2 cupcakes. 1 cupcake. How many cars are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Answer: 9 cars. 2 spiders plus 1 spider equals 3 spiders. Right, you're correct. Let's count 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.